Send this message to governor of Lagos State. Tribalism governor. Yes, I'm the one that's saying it. If no prophet, if no minister of God will say it, I will tell you what you do is evil. Stop it. Fear you, I will not fear you. Because these Nigerian politicians, governors and presidents, they have failed us. You people are a disgrace to humanity. You are condemning Igbo as and Igbo. And all the abomination that Fulanis are doing in Yoruba land, have you stand up to condemn it? All the abomination where those boys where they burn Igbo shop in Lagos, have you condemned it? Have you told them to stop it? The answer is no. All those boys where they burn all the Igbo shop, where they beat Igbos, all the Yoruba guys, because not all the Yoruba they do them. Have you stand up to tell them they should stop it? Have you stand up to do it? You keep your mouth shut. Now this man lies up to defend his brothers. You said I will not be SND in Lagos. Who give you authority? Who give you power to say that thing? Can't you keep your mouth shut? Is it more that you talk? I said it before that if this governor of Lagos State, now where that man be, that man go follow for those boys where they burn Igbo shop in Lagos. Governor of Lagos State, all the Yoruba boys, those guys where they come online, but this guy where they call MEC, all of them, throughout where they want Igbos, they should not vote for P2B, they should vote for APC. Where they want them, all those guys where they want them on social media. Have you condemned it? Wicked governor. Tribalism, wickedness in high places. Have you stand up to condemn it, to tell them to stop it? You know condemn it. Tribalism everywhere. In politics, tribalism, religious war everywhere. Do you think that we have forget what happened in Lagos in Lekki Toll Gate? If you deceive human being, you cannot deceive God. If you deceive human being, you cannot deceive those blood where they share in that Lekki Toll Gate. That blood will fight. Even though if this blood no fight against you, it go fight against your children, it go fight against your generation. And yes, they are doing themselves because Ojukwu tell them all those things. Igbo people know they hear and then they cause them. So listen to me, all the Igbo waiting for Lagos. I know they beg you people to stop developing Lagos. I know they beg you people to stop building Lagos. No. If land don't finish for Lagos, make una go babish Lagos. Go buy 500,000 plots of land in that place. When I go carry sand, cover Babish Lagos, build estate in that place. I know they tell you people to stop buying land in Lagos. Go for Lagos, all these places where water there. Make when I carry sand, cover them, build estate in that place. I know they tell you people.